Hey guys, so on today's video we're going to do a review on the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. I don't know if I'm going to like this or not, but we're going to do a review on this and we're going to sample it and see if I like it. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this water bottle and spray my hair in sections and put the detangler in my hair in sections. My hair is nice and kinky and matted. You're probably wondering, girl, how did you go to work looking like that? Well, my hair was braided up and under a bonnet, under a skull cap. I took those braids down from under my wig and I just never got to detangling it. So I said, you know what, just keep it nice and tangled so when you do your review on your detangler, it'll be well worth it. First things first, I'm going to take my fingers and separate the hair in 4 sections. Boy, is it really matted. The back is really matted. So this should be a good review. I think I'm going to like it though because I like the slip. It's real liquidy and runny. And it smells good. It smells like Tutti Frutti, which is a happy smell. It's Saturday morning and there's nothing like waking up on a Saturday morning to a Tutti Frutti smell. I'm going to leave the back section down and start from the back and work my way up to the front. You guys seen me do a detangle before. So usually I do the same thing over and over and over. I'm going to take my water bottle it has hot water in it, but by the time I spray it and use it, it's warm. So yeah, it's not hot at all, it's just warm. I like to put the water in the bottle hot, so by the time it cools down, it's it's a comfortable feel. It's not burning my hair. So the key to detangling your hair is to make sure you have it nice and saturated with liquid. Water, conditioner, leave-in conditioner, whatever it is that you use. You want to make sure your hair is nice and saturated, which means you want it really, really wet. So we're going to take the Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Detangling Therapy, and we're going to put a little bit in my hand like that and put it in my hair. Oh, this smells really good, guys. So you're going to hear my heat going on and off because it is cold outside today. Ooh. I have to put a lot on the back of my hair because that part of my hair is the kinkiest and it's the most delicate, and I don't want that to break. So far it's working pretty good. So you see I'm just separating the hair as I go through it, and it has a nice slip so far. Let me add some more water. Yeah, let's get it really, really nice and tangled. Yeah, look at it. Okay, I'm stuttering. It really loosened my hair. This is awesome. Detanglers are pretty cool. I don't normally use detanglers, and my last detangler I used, I did a review on it last year. I used it up. So you can purchase this. Well, I purchased mine at the grocery store, but you can probably get it anywhere. Beauty Supply House, Walgreens. I've seen it a lot of places. And I think when I bought it, it was on sale. I don't know. I bought it from the grocery store for about $6. But I went online. It's some places charge more than that. Oh, you can get it from the Family Dollar store. I used to look at it and be like, look at this little cheap stuff. But I've always wanted to try it on the inside. So I said, you know, I'm going to get it. So I've been having this since last spring, and I just never got around to using it. But we're going to see how it works today, and so far, so good. this hair is matted. So I'm separating the hair a little bit. Then I'm going to add some more Aunt Jackie. You know what, when you get some products, you know what, if you hear anything about Auntie, let's just put that out there. If you hear anything about an Auntie, you be like, ooh, that's going to be some good stuff. Aunt Jackie sounded good to me. So I want to saturate a little bit more, especially on the ends. Dead hair. Especially on the ends. So right now I'm just putting the conditioner in, the therapy in, and I'll come back to it later. Okay. So I can saturate a little bit more and get it nice and moist. Yeah, it's real liquidy, guys. Look at that. And it comes out with no problem. Okay, so I forgot to put my water, spray my hair down with water first. But that's not a big deal. I can always add water. I might not know if I'm gonna like this or not, but I am liking it so far. Woo! Let's add some more product. On these ends. Separating the hair at the ends. Spraying some more water. So yeah, guys, if you want to make this much easier, just put your whole head under this water, sink water. Yeah, just put your head in the sink and take the water and douse your hair with the faucet or water sprayer. It'd be much easier and quicker. More product. Do you need a detangler? No, you don't necessarily need a detangler. Is it cool to have? Yeah, it's cool to have. You can just use your pre-poo or a regular slippery conditioner. So I'll just separate some more hair. Spray it with water. Add more product. Ooh, tender-headed, guys. More product. Now, one thing about detanglers, boy, they are so liquidy, you can go through your bottle so quickly. They don't last that long. Well, they'll last longer if you don't let your hair get so tangled like I do. So, twist this up, let it sit. Got the last section. Do you need to get the roots? Sure. You want your hair saturated from root to tip as much as you can, because actually our roots be just as tangled as our ends. And if you have your if you have your roots saturated with water, it'd be easier to part with your fingers. It'd be way easier to detangle. More product. Ouch. Oh. Ooh, yeah, I'm going through this product pretty fast. I probably only get 2 uses or 3 uses out of this bottle. How many ounces in this bottle? There is 12 ounces in here. One more section. These are subsections. I'm doing inside one section. So one more subsection. And yep, that's it. So now that I got all that hair done in those sections, I can now start detangling. So my hair should be nice and saturated and easier to comb through and stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna add some more water. And then I'm gonna use my wide tooth comb. You're supposed to start from the ends of your hair and work your way up the shaft. So yep, the ends are nice and easy to comb through. So now it's time to get in between the hair and make sure it's easy to comb through from the root to the tip. Also, you can use a Demons brush too. Demon brush is pretty cool sometimes. I know some ladies say sometimes a Demon brush is too hard on their hair, but I go back and forth. But actually, I like my detangling comb better. It seems like it just glides through way quicker than the Demons brush. See, just like that. That clamp just slid right on through. So that's what you're looking for, a nice lip. You shouldn't be, I'm gonna show you something. When you're detangling your hair, this shouldn't be all like a little baby afro on the ends and dry. And you find yourself doing this. No. That comb's supposed to just glide straight through because you have enough water and you have enough product in your hair to where it is not going to have a baby afro on the ends. And you see I'm going back to the sections that I did in the beginning. So I did that section back there first, second, third, fourth. You want to follow the order because that means your hair is more saturated and slippery if you go in the order, because it's been sitting there that long or the longest. I feel a kink back there, so we don't want any afro on the ends. That hair is supposed to, that comb's supposed to be able to just glide straight through. Not this. And by me putting that protein treatment in my hair a few weeks ago, this hair is strong. Yep. So it is kind of like a little bit more of a challenge to get the comb through because it's like, ugh, protein makes your hair strong. So going to the next section. Guys, I want to tell you also, I had blow dried and flat ironed my hair back in December. Was it December? Or was it November? One of those months. So my hair is not as kinky because I do put heat in my hair once or twice a year. So that's another advantage about adding heat to your hair. You don't have to work as hard sometimes. If you feel a kink, don't just comb it through. Hold it at the base, comb out the ends, work your way up the shaft. You don't want to snatch your hair out. It's easy to get aggravated and snatch out your hair. For some reason, this is super thick right here. I don't know why it's so thick right there. My crown is usually easier to comb through. My hair feels super thick today. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe because I didn't comb it for the last 6 weeks or so. Maybe 7 weeks. That's probably why it's so thick, NeziNapps. You ain't combing your hair. Why am my mother gonna look like that? Her. Yeah, it's a goopy mess, guys. So, I am almost finished. So just in case my camera cuts out, I don't know, because I've been on this camera for 27 minutes and 30 seconds, so it might cut off in 30 minutes. But 27 minutes and 38 seconds. I want to tell you, yes, I will recommend this. It is great. It has a great slip, smells good, and it is worth buying. So I know now I will buy this again if I want to detangler. So guys, I'm going to say bye now just in case, because I got 2 more minutes to go. And you guys have a good Saturday or whatever day it is you're watching this video. And I'll see you in the next video, because I don't know what's going to happen, guys. I could probably get through quick if I shut up talking though, for real though. Man, this is good. Having a detangling comb with some big hair, big thick hair like this is good. I used to be accused of breaking combs when I was a kid, because they didn't know what they was doing. You didn't have the right comb for the baby little kinky hair. You got the wrong comb. I got a minute. Go, Nancy, go. Oh man, this broke it down real easy. Let me add some more water. Ooh, I feel an afro at the end. I'm done. So guys, that is it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you liked the video. Yes, I recommend this product. Bye.